Welcome back to the Bars and Bridges Project, an ultra-luxury Arizona home designed by architect Amit Upadhye, built from concrete, steel, and glass. Today, you're watching one of the most dramatic moments in the entire construction process, the moment the steel skeleton of this home comes to life. This residence doesn't simply sit on the land, it spans it. Two massive structural bars stretch across a natural desert wash, connected by bridges that will support future glass floors, floating walkways, and even a suspended lap pool. It's a design where permanence meets lightness, where architecture meets the desert landscape. Over the next few minutes, you'll see 3 full days of steel installation compressed into a 10-minute sequence. It looks fast here, but in reality, it's slow, meticulous work. Each beam has to align perfectly. Sometimes it takes a hammer, a crowbar, or even the forklift pushing a 15,000-pound steel member into final position while the crane holds every ounce of weight. This is the moment where the architect's drawings become real. Every bolt, every weld, every angle, it's a puzzle with only one right answer, and the steel crew knows it by heart. Steel gives this home its magic. The spans over the wash, the future glass floors, the suspended pool. None of it happens without days like this, where engineering meets craftsmanship, and a home literally rises piece by piece into the desert sky. Once the steel is in place, the rest of the home can finally begin. Concrete walls will rise, glass will wrap the structure, and this modern desert sanctuary will start revealing its full form. But it all begins right here, with the structure, with the story, and with the vision coming to life. And what you're watching isn't just construction, it's the creation of a rare, architect-designed, ultra-luxury home that's available now before completion. If you'd like to explore the opportunity to own the Bars and Bridges home here in Paradise Valley, reach out to me directly. I'd love to give you a private tour and show you what makes this estate unlike anything else in Arizona. My name is Michael Hankerson with the Hankerson team in Luxury Division. You can call or text me at 602-770-7205. Thanks, and have a great day.